All right, guys, so today we are going to go over another Green Machine product that I picked up. I am excited to show you guys this one because it was one of the products that, it was one of the first pieces of equipment that I got when I first started doing lawn care. I got a Cobalt 24 volt, leaf blower. It's the first thing I got. I think that's a lot of what our homeowners get. The first thing we go out and buy is a leaf blower, aside from maybe a lawnmower. All right, so I was excited to kind of finally replace my Cobalt. It was getting old. It was getting, just wasn't doing the job. I have this giant maple tree that just rains down leaves in the fall, and that leaf blower just wasn't doing the job. It was struggling in the fall every year. So I'm excited to get this new leaf blower, this Green Machine one, 62 volts, 600 CFMs. This thing has some serious power to it, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it out and show you guys what we're working with. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the Green Machine 62 volt leaf blower. This thing has power. You can see right here, 600 CFMs. It's got so much juice behind it. It's insane. Honestly, the first time I grabbed onto this thing, I thought I was grabbing onto a jet turbine. This thing had so much kick to it. I was not ready. My arm literally kind of flew back because I was not expecting how much power was about to come out of this. So what I love about this, we'll go ahead and start from the very beginning. First things I love about it is the dial right here. All right, so this dial has 6 different settings, everything from 0 all the way to 6, right? So you have 6 settings here, all variable speeds, and then you have the turbo button, man. And this thing just kicks it up another notch. Once you hit that, man, this thing is just blowing. So I am very, very happy to kind of, bring this into my garage. And to have the variable speed is great because when you work in areas like the bark over here, where you don't want to blow all that bark into your lawn, but you just want to kind of gently maneuver, that variable speed is great because the 0 is perfect for there. Whereas up closer to the street area where I have rocks and things I want to kind of blow back into the street, that 6 with the turbo, oof, it does a job, man. It kicks all of the rocks. I mean, it's blowing rocks, not just leaves, but rocks back into the street. So I'm very, very happy to have this. It is a wonderful piece. The other thing that I absolutely love about Green Machine products, and it's on just about all the products that I've gotten so far with them, with the exception of a lawnmower, is they have the ability, and they put it into their stuff, to go ahead and wall mount it. You don't need to have a separate system. Just put a screw in your wall, a drywall anchor, and hang it on your wall, and it's out of the way. I love that. I love that companies think about how to store their products without trying to sell you more things to go ahead and store those products, right? Nothing is more irritating than buying something and then have to go buy something else to store it.
You know what really grinds my gears?
Like, why? It's right here. It's already done for you. You don't have to worry about it, all right? So, absolutely love that about this machine. It is a wonderful, wonderful piece. Aside from, the tools and equipment, you get their battery right here, 62 volt, 4 amp hour battery. As I mentioned in all the other videos, what I love about their batteries is not only are they rugged and, bulky, but they come with a USB charger in the back. So if you want to go ahead and charge any of your devices, you can use this as a separate charger. All you gotta do is plug in your USB port, hit the button right here at the top, and it starts charging your devices instantly. All right, so I love this. We're gonna go camping in a few weeks. We're gonna take these with us, and we're gonna charge all of our stuff that we have with us. We have a 2-year-old, she's gonna want her tablet a little bit, so it's gonna charge all of our stuff with us. I absolutely love that feature is in here, something I do not see very often in, lawn equipment batteries. So very, very cool that they went ahead and added that in. And then of course you get their charging station. I absolutely love these. Again, comes with wall mounts in the back, so you can go ahead and put this on your wall, or you can keep it on your workbench, wherever you want to do with it. But I absolutely love their supercharger stations. They got some fans inside, keeps it nice and cool. Everything works perfectly. They are quick charging those, so usually about the time it takes me to charge a full battery is maybe about an hour or so. So you got plenty of time. It doesn't take long to get these charged up. So I love their chargers. Everything works perfectly. Never had an issue with them. And so yeah, it's just an all-around awesome product to get. So yeah, each one of their tools comes with if you buy the battery with the tool, you get the charger as well. So I absolutely love that. I have, a couple different chargers now, so I always have batteries on the chargers, always ready to go. That's the way to do it, man. Before I had, 5 different chargers for 4 different pieces of equipment. It was annoying. One charger, one type of battery, everything works. I can just switch them in and out as I go now. I absolutely love this. I do love this leaf blower though, because it is so easy to use. It has all the different variabilities to it, and I think that is what makes it so special to me. My old one just had one speed, and that one speed was really kind of just the zero. The zero on what the green machine is what I had on the old one, so it didn't have a ton of power. This one here has so much power. I can, you know, use it in the mulch beds and not have to blow all the tan bark or all the bark everywhere. And then I could use it kind of down by the street, because we have these streets where it has like little pebbles in it, and sometimes that comes up on the sidewalk and it gets in the areas, and I don't want it obviously in my lawn, so I'm able to actually blow those, you know, rocks back into the street. I don't have to sweep them up. I don't have to put, you know, do any, you know, hard work. The blower here pushes the rocks back into the street, off the sidewalk, off my driveway. So I absolutely do love that. It is a wonderful piece, and I absolutely cannot wait to use it in fall now. I am excited for fall. I'm excited to see when this thing starts dropping all its leaves, and what this machine can actually do, and how easy it's gonna make cleaning up my yard come fall time. So really do love it. We'll do probably another review, you know, come fall, just seeing how this really works and how you guys can really see how easy it is to blow everything around. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you guys want to go ahead and get your hands on this product, I will leave a link down in the description below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Smash that like and subscribe button. And as always, go out there and make it a great day. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.